Something big is happening in the Salesforce ecosystem. For years, Salesforce was mostly about CRM, data, and automation, but now everything is shifting toward AI. And if you have been on Trailhead or LinkedIn recently, you have probably seen a new word everywhere: Agentblazer. And what does actually means, and what a champion, innovator, and legend, and why Salesforce investing billions into AI right now. Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're learning Salesforce or already working in the ecosystem, this new AI wave is something you really need to understand. So in this video, we are going to talk about what Agentblazer actually means, what champion, innovator, and legend levels, and why Salesforce is going all in on AI, and what you're going to learn in this AI series. Let's start with the basic. So first question, what exactly is Agentblazer? Agentblazer is Salesforce way of describing the next generation of Salesforce professionals. People who don't just understand the platform, but also understanding AI, generative AI, and intelligent automation inside Salesforce. In the past, most Salesforce roles focus on things like configuring objects, right? And building automation, managing data, rating OPEX or flow. But now, Salesforce is entering a new phase. Instead of just managing data, we are starting to build system that thinks like that assist that and generate information, and the people who understand how to work with those system, right? What Salesforce calls Agentblazer: champion, innovator, and legend. Now you will often hear these three levels connected to Agentblazer, which I say like champions, innovator, and legend. And think of this as a stage of learnings, okay? For example, first is champion. Champion is the foundation level. Uh, this is where you start understand concepts like Salesforce AI, generative AI, agent first, prompt based system, and responsible AI. And you're building awareness and understanding how AI fits into the platform. And innovator. The innovator level goes one step further. Now you're not just learning AI concepts. You're starting to think about how to apply AI to like real business problems, right? Like for example, how can AI help sales teams close deals like more faster, right? And how can customer support teams respond more faster? It's also very important in business. And how can an AI reduce manual work inside Salesforce? An innovator starts turning AI ideas into real business solutions. And then there is the legend level. This is where professionals begin thinking about AI at a much bigger scale, not just features, but strategy, architecture, and enterprise impact. Legends help organizations understand how AI transform the entire system. Okay? So, in a simple terms, like champion is learners, innovator is applied, and legend is who leads, right? So now let's talk about something really important. So, why is Salesforce investing so much into AI? There is a few big reasons. The first one is customer expectations have changed, right? Companies don't just want system that store information anymore. They want system that can like summarize conversation, right? Generate emails, suggest like next steps, analyze customer data, and also assist employees. That's where AI becomes powerful. And the second one, Salesforce already has something extremely valuable: data. Like sales, service, and marketing and support. All of that customer data already lives inside Salesforce. AI allows companies to turn that data into like insights, recommendation, and automated action. And third, automation itself is evolving. Salesforce already give us like automation tools like workflow, process builder, flow, NBA, like next best action. But AI is the next layer instead of just rules, right? So a system can now understand context, generate response, and assist decision making. Agentblazer and Agentforce. This is also where like Agentforce comes in. Agentforce is the technology side, okay? So it's Salesforce platform for building AI agents and AI powered experiences. Agentblazer is the people side, who professionals learning how to use those tools, this design intelligence system, right? So think of it like this: Agentforce is the technology, and Agentblazer is the person who masters it. So now let's talk about this playlist. This series, we are going to break Salesforce AI down step by step. We will talk about Salesforce AI fundamentals, generative AI concepts, Agentforce architecture, real business use cases, AI automation inside Salesforce, and how AI is changing Salesforce career. So, if you want to understand how AI fits into Salesforce ecosystem, this series guides you. So, if you're interested in learning Salesforce AI, make sure to subscribe. And I am curious about something. Which stage do you see itself in right now? Champion, innovator, or future legend? So let me know in the comments. And if you want to continue learn, go directly to the next video in this playlist. So guys, thanks for watching. In the next video, we are going to start diving deeper into Salesforce AI and Agentforce fundamentals. See you in there.